Imagine living your life peacefully on Earth and suddenly finding out there's an invisible cloud full of massive icy rocks spinning around our solar system, just waiting for the right moment to launch a deadly comet our way. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this cloud is real. It's called the Oort Cloud. And today, you'll find out why scientists consider it one of the greatest hidden threats in space. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive in, because what I'm about to tell you is real. Let's start from the beginning. The Oort Cloud is like a giant bubble surrounding our entire solar system. Picture it as an invisible shell, except instead of protecting us, it might be hiding serious danger. It's so far away that sunlight barely reaches it. We are talking about a region starting 2,000 times farther than Earth is from the Sun. That's extremely far. And what's inside this bubble? Millions, maybe trillions, of icy fragments, dust, and space rocks. They are leftovers from when the solar system was just forming. Many of the mysterious, long-traveling comets come from there. You know those comets that appear suddenly in the sky? They are not random, they are messengers from the Oort Cloud. So now you're probably thinking, if it's that far away, why worry about it? The answer is simple, because it can be disturbed. Imagine accidentally kicking a giant nest, everything inside rushes out. That's what happens if a nearby star, a rogue planet, or even the movement of our galaxy nudges the Oort Cloud. When that happens, chunks of ice and rock can be flung into the inner solar system, some of them headed straight for the Sun, or even Earth. The scary part? These comets travel fast and come from unexpected angles. That means we often don't see them until they are already close. And that keeps astronomers up at night. The most dangerous comets in history have one thing in common: they come from far, far away, unexpectedly and fast. Take Hale-Bopp, for example. It showed up in 1997 and was one of the brightest comets ever seen with the naked eye. It came from the direction of the Oort Cloud. Now imagine if a comet like that was headed straight for us. Scientists believe that a comet just 6 to 10 miles wide, like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, could completely change life on Earth. And guess what? The Oort Cloud may be full of these massive cosmic bullets. What scares scientists the most? We've never actually seen the Oort Cloud. Not directly. It's just too far, too dark, and its objects are too small for our telescopes. Everything we know comes from clues, like how comets move, and computer simulations. It's like trying to understand the deep ocean by looking at bubbles on the surface. We know something is there, we just don't know what exactly. And when it comes to space threats, what we don't know can definitely hurt us. That's why this mysterious cloud keeps astronomers on edge. Most of our current space tech, like telescopes and tracking systems, are focused on spotting asteroids close to Earth. But Oort Cloud comets are on another level. They show up out of nowhere, fast and unpredictable. By the time we spot one, it might already be way too close. Stopping or deflecting a comet that size isn't easy. You'd need time, precision, and a plan ready to go. And with Oort Cloud comets, we may only have a few months or weeks to react. That's why some scientists are pushing for better early detection systems. Because right now, we are not ready. Here's something wild: the galaxy is always moving. Stars are constantly shifting. And there's one star, called Gliese 710, that's expected to pass really close to the Oort Cloud in about 1.3 million years. That may sound like forever, but in cosmic time, it's right around the corner. When it does, it could shake up the entire cloud, sending a storm of comets into our solar system. Most might miss us, but it only takes one to ruin everything. And if history has shown us anything, it's that Earth has been hit before. And it could happen again. The Oort Cloud is like a sleeping giant, silent, invisible, but possibly deadly. What's scary isn't what we already know, it's what we don't. So if you're curious about the hidden dangers of the universe, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because out there in the dark, something might be coming.